Hello and welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, we're going to create an RFID-based attendance system using Arduino. This project will allow us to scan RFID cards and log attendance using an LCD display and a buzzer. It's simple, efficient, and fun to build. Let's jump right into it. For this project, here are the components we will need. An Arduino board, I'm using an Arduino Uno, an RFID reader module, MFRC 522, a 16x2 LCD display with I2C Interface, a buzzer, some jumper wires, RFID tags or cards for testing. Now let's connect all the components together. Connect the RFID module's SS and RST pins to pins 10 and 9 of the Arduino. The buzzer is connected to pin 4. For the LCD, I'm using an I2C interface, so SDA and SCL will go to A4 and A5 respectively. Once you have the connection set up, we're ready to upload the code. Now, let's take a quick look at the code. We start by including the necessary libraries like wire.h, spi.h, mfrc522.h, and liquid crystal I2C.h. These handle communication between the Arduino and the RFID reader, as well as the LCD display. The setup function initializes the LCD, RFID reader, and the buzzer. We also display a welcome message when the system starts. In the loop, the RFID reader continuously looks for new cards. If it detects a card, it checks the card's UID and compares it to pre-saved IDs for different users. If the UID matches, it will display the person's name and sound the buzzer. If the UID doesn't match, it will show an invalid tag message. Now that the code is uploaded, let's test the system. When I scan a valid RFID card, the LCD displays the user's name and the buzzer sounds. If I scan an invalid card, it shows invalid RFID tag on the display. Let me show you how it works in real time. This project is a great way to automate attendance systems, and it can be expanded to log data into an SD card or even communicate with a database. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more exciting projects like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep innovating and keep exploring.